Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and hope y'all are doing well. I am still juggling to set my short hairs. Today I have a very interesting video for you all because I have a Victoria's Secret body mist haul and I am so excited to show you guys because all of this is literally my dream collection. Yeah, before get into the video, I literally tell you my scent tasted, like what type of scent I like or what type of fragrances I like. Like if you know, then you know what type of fragrances I like. I love sweet and vanilla fragrances, and exactly this video is something kind of all those fragrances which I really love, like very sweety, dreamy, creamy, and like a very cozy warm sense. And especially this time I'll share my Victoria's Secret. I have all over the fragrances like fresh, fruity, sweet, like gourmand, like creamy, milky, and even the woody also. Okay, I have my dream collection, like all you can see, like, and these literally I'll shop like a crazy because I love vanilla mist. Of course I have to start with the vanilla fragrance. This one is from Body Shop. It's a vanilla fragrance. It's a body mist, but वहाँ पर उनके perfumes भी available है. Then you can check it out also. But this bottle of मतलब इसकी जो fragrance I like. Here's the taste of some. This one is so good, you guys. This is something like very different from the basic vanilla fragrance. It's something kind of flowery. It's something kind of lily, like this is not at all very basic vanilla, like it's not at all creamy, it's not at all like very delicious, something not like that. It is something very refreshing. This smells so good, like this smells like gourmand, like very delicious, very freshy, like something kind of very different from other basic vanilla fragrance. Fireside marshmallow, like a toasted marshmallow. It's like the name is vanilla. It's very refreshing fragrance. It's seriously, it's a Broom Crofts body mist. To like a little bit one note harder than this is must for. Next I have Warm and Cozy. This is something very special, like I can say this is kind of something very fruity, like very electronic, very fresh, very like something kind of higher note. But this is not like last basic vanilla something. No, it's not that type of fragrance. If you guys love very electronic kind of fragrance, like very tangy, something kind of fruity, then this is must for you. This is a cozy, warm and cozy Victoria's Secret mist from the Pink. Here are the mention. It's a glowing amber and warm vanilla, and definitely I can feel the amber fragrance. This is something kind of very different, not at all sharp. This is something very rounded. If I'll tell you, then this is like candy, like very tangy candy, something kind of fragrance. This is exact like that. So again, if you like something very harsh fragrances, like very tangy and all, like, then this is must. I have the Almond Blossom and Oat Milk Comfort body mist. First of all, I love the packaging. Just look at how comfort is this, how classy is it. Looks so soothing, and this is a very apt packaging from all Victoria's Secret because it's a almond blossom and oat milk. Like this means shows the definition of comfort. Like here's the mention: almond blossom, oat milk, Victoria's Secret comfort side, and this is literally describing the comfort section because this is something like kind of very fine comfort with the scent of almond blossom and oat milk, botanical inspiration, completely soothing. And it's actually very true. This is completely soothing. This is kind of very different fragrance, and I already finished 2 of bottles from Almond Blossom and Oat Milk. This of the fragrance is like, how can I express like all over, like how like. I love oat milk. Like I love consuming oat milk and like oat milk coffee and all, like and when I saw this, like I was like, I literally get hands on this because it's so for me this is something like a very creamy, like a dreamy, something kind of milkshake, oats, almonds, like cashews. Maybe this section was discontinued in Victoria's Secret. Literally want this kind of scent, and I literally have so hope for this, and it's actually worth it. Actually true, it smells exactly what I want. It could be like had oat milk, like it exacts like oat milk have a very sweeter, like very soft sweeter type of thing. Comfort, like very luxury. This is so okay. Next one we'll talk about my Nykaa More by Nykaa viscose fragrance, and this is something like totally different from my collection. This is like it's a very electric fragrance, like a very higher note again, in sense something kind of orangey, very refreshing, and it lasts also over 12 hours plus. It's very good, like very higher note, so I love this again. And again here's the mention out viscous, like viscous is in the sense ki something very comfort, like not at all comfort, it's something kind of like how can I tell yaar, it's let me just take it off. This is something like I don't have words. I don't have actually words. It's the brand More by Nykaa also has trial packs. You can try trial one, and firstly I'll try the trial one and I love this fragrance, and then I decide to purchase the larger one, and finally it's here. Although I finished this much because it's a scent, it's a perfume, it's not at all body mist, so it's lasts long, so many hours, even though plus 24 hours in your clothes, so this is totally good. Next I have this one. This is from the Aqualogica. This one is Aqualogica Refresh Plus Midnight Bloom. It's a body mist, it's a perfume body mist, and this is like something kind of actually very bloom, like very bubbly kind of fragrance. The packaging, the color was very different. This is in the black packaging, which looks very sexy. Just look at this. So if you want, then you can again bring more fragrance from Aqualogica. Just look, it's a sun-kissed vanilla mist. It's a sun-kissed vanilla perfume body mist, and again this is something kind of very different from the other vanilla fragrances because it's very flirty. It's very like it's again like a fruity, tangish flavor, and it's lasts although 2 and 3 hours. But this is something kind of dupe of like something copy, or we can say it's a dupe of this plum body mist, because I have also this, and this is exact smells like cupcake, very delicious, like a vanilla cake, vanilla cupcake. If you know, then you know this. These two fragrances are exact like same, but this is something more good because it stays more than this. It almost lasts more than 5 to 6 hours, and maybe more than 8 to 10 hours, sometimes more than 8 to 10 hours stay. And this is exact like cupcake, something very like wow. If I can feel, then I can say this something kind of cakiness and like very creamy, very buttery, something kind of butter, something kind of like you exit feels like balls of cake, like buttery, like ice creams, like chocolates, like you feel like you are in the chocolate world, you are in the vanilla world. It's exact like that. talk about my new favorite obsession. Means all of these are my obsessions, but again this is from Victoria's Secret and the fragrance name is coconut milk and rose. This is from Calm, this is from Calm. Very rosy fragrance. If you like rose, if you like flowers, not flowers, it's something kind of very rosy, like it's a scent. I feel like it's a scent, it's not at all mist, because I never applied on my body. I always applied on my clothes because it lasts a long more than body to the clothes. And this is something kind of very delicious, not at all delicious, how can I say, this is something kind of very rosy, oh god, you guys, I love this. Like, this is not at all very comfort. This is something kind of higher notes. Again, I can say this because if here's the mention out, then it claims it's a feel calm with the scent of coconut milk and rose, botanical inspiration, true trans quality. Then it's actually commanding the truth, because it's a perfume mist, Barum perfume. I again obsessed with this fragrance, but not at all or daily. This is kind of fragrance which I used to prefer weekly one time or monthly 2 or 3 times. That's it, because it's something kind of higher notes and I don't like higher, but this is something different from the sweetness, from the vanilla. This is totally different from vanilla and all. Like, if you don't like vanilla type of fragrance, then this is so much fragrances from the Plum body mist. But the very first is this Tippin Mimosa, and it's so a very ovary, very refreshing. Although it's just a mist, but it still lasts more than 10 to 12 hours plus, and this is too good. I'll say too good. I have so much fragrances. I have one more vanilla fragrance from the Plum. The next one is Smokin' Vanilla. These two fragrances, man, this is the OG fragrances from Plum, which is very comfort, very affordable. This is the OG fragrances from the Plum. These two is Smokin' Vanilla and vanilla, just a normal vanilla and Smokin' Vanilla. And again, this is something very good. This is something kind of everything Plum mist. Oof, this is again very fruity. Here's the mention of the diagrams. It's exact like the diagrams. These 4 fragrances from the Plum is the OG fragrances. You must have tried, because it's although very affordable. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me here, and I'm damn sure you guys all love these kind of fragrances. You love my recommendation. I hope you guys take it off at least 1 or 2, because you guys all love this. So, hi.